To add a store to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your website editor. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select Store from the drop-down menu. This will open the Wix e-commerce platform where you can create and manage your online store. Next, choose a store template that matches your business needs and customize it to fit your brand. You can choose from a variety of templates and customize the layout, colors, and fonts to match your website. Once you have selected a template, click on the Add to Site button to add the store to your website. After adding the store, you need to set up your store settings. This includes setting up your payment and shipping options, as well as configuring your tax settings. You can do this by clicking on the Store Settings button and following the prompts to set up your payment gateways, shipping providers, and tax rates. Now it is time to add your products to the store. Click on the Add Product button and fill in the product details, including the product name, description, price, and images. You can also set up product variations, such as different sizes or colors, and configure your inventory settings. To make your store visible to your website visitors, you need to add a link to the store on your website menu. You can do this by clicking on the Menu button and adding a new menu item that links to your store. You can also customize the menu item to match your website design. Finally, test your store to make sure everything is working correctly. Place a test order to ensure that your payment and shipping settings are working properly. And make sure that your products are displaying correctly on the website. Once you are satisfied that your store is working correctly, you can launch it and start selling to your website visitors. By following these steps, you can easily add a store to your Wix website and start selling online. Remember to customize your store to fit your brand and test it thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. With Wix e-commerce, you can create a professional online store that helps you reach more customers and grow your business.